See the problem here with this piece, cheap plastic. So see how easy that came off? I put this on. I don't know how it worked. It worked for about 6 months. But now I'm gonna replace it. Cause see this piece here where the hose goes, it broke off because it's plastic. First thing you gotta do is you gotta take the battery out. So you gotta remove this bolt, loosen this nut, loosen these two nuts here. They're all 10 millimeters. Make sure you take off the wires to the battery first before you try to unscrew this, because your tool can touch this and short out the battery. Let's pull the battery out. See here under the battery tray is where this piece hooks to. We have to get to that so we can unscrew the, see there, the two bolts. Pull this tray out. And let me see. They are also 10 millimeter. Before I loosen the bolts down there, I'm going to use my pliers to remove these clamps. As you can see, it's been leaking here, so the car, I'm going to have to add some more coolant to it. Try to be careful so you don't lose any coolant. You're gonna lose a little bit no matter what you do. This might even be a good time now to drain the coolant and put new stuff in. Piece I'm replacing it with, I found one. I'll put a link in the description, and it's an affiliate link, so you'll help support this channel if you make a purchase. Okay, I can't twist this to get, so I'm gonna have to unscrew these bolts first. Insert the new piece. The one I got is aluminum. Reattach this old hose. Tighten up these two bolts. See that bump right there? You put it in that hole right there. To very carefully get this on without touching the terminals, you have to make sure the hook's in place. Otherwise, the whole thing turns when you try to tighten this nut. You have to pull up on this bar as you tighten the nut. Attach the battery cables. And I forgot, this stupid car, the alarm turns back on when you reconnect the battery for some reason. The car remote on this car is useless, it doesn't work anymore, so there's no way to turn it off if it does come on. But it usually only comes on when I do this. There you go, there's the brand new aluminum one. Here's the old piece of crap factory one. I don't know why you think you can use plastic with high pressure steam and hot liquids with plastic. Makes no sense. And this car is this is a 2009, so I call this car the recession car. This is Toyota's recession car. There's a lot of stuff in here that's cheap and falls apart easy. I guess they were trying to save money back then.